Jarvis, you there?
Not you serious.
What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another video. Recently I've been working on some updates at the studio, and part of it is to swap my existing beastie Threadripper 2 PC, given that I have some minor issues with the old Cooler Master cabinet. This time I wanted something simple yet kinda like a space saver. So my pick is, boom! The all new Zebronics Hermes. And here it is. This is an amazing cubicle dual chamber design cabinet which is not only space saving but also super ventilated, and yes, it has amazing RGB lighting which I totally liked. The design is box style with a wraparound front and side toughened glass panel, so the components and the lighting inside is gonna be amazingly visible. Can't wait to show you guys. Comes pre-installed with 4 RGB fans with a controller unit which can be controlled with this remote that you get in the box. Back has vents to dissipate heat. Here the Hermes and Zebronics branding. As said guys, this is a well-spaced yet space-saving cabinet and can take in ATX and MATX motherboards. To the top it has enough space for a 360 cooler. Coming to the power supply unit slot, it is at the bottom back, and here you can pop in 2 3.5mm hard disks and here one SSD. Top has ventilation vents with a magnetic dust mat. Control buttons goes here: power, RGB control, power LED indicator, hard disk LED indicator, a mic and headphone slot, then 2 USB 3 and 1 USB 2 port. Overall an amazing cabinet, and I can't wait to finish the swap. Before that, for all you curious folks who haven't seen my last year Studio 2 video, this machine is a Threadripper 2nd generation 16 core build with 64 gigs of RAM, MSI Gaming Carbon Pro motherboard, 2 TB of Samsung M.2 SSDs, 11 GB graphics, 4 TB mechanical drives, 360mm deep cool liquid cooler, a 1000 watt PSU, well, the usual specs of a high-end PC. That's why I call it a beastie machine. Okay, enough chit chat, shall we start?
Time now for the main event.
To all my hustlers, dreamers, love dealers, I'm that kind of girl. Work hard, play hard, for my own heart, might just rule the world. I'm on fire, can you feel the heat? You can try to, but you can't stop me. I'm gonna keep on dancing and taking all these chances. Watch me glow. And if you don't know now, you know I'm unstoppable. And if you don't know now, you know I'm unstoppable. I'm a runner, healer, deep feeler, I won't ever change. Try to break me, can't shake me, go ahead and hate. I'm on fire, can you feel the heat? You can try to, but you can't stop me. I'm gonna keep on dancing and taking all these chances. Watch me glow. And if you don't know now, you know I'm unstoppable. And if you don't know now, you know I'm unstoppable. Just try and stop me. Just try and stop me. Just try and stop me. Oh, just try and stop me. Just try and stop me. Just try and stop me. I'm gonna keep on dancing and taking all these chances. Watch me glow. And if you don't know now, you know I'm unstoppable. And if you don't know now, you know I'm unstoppable.
Importing preferences and calibrating virtual environment. I have indeed been uploaded, sir. We're online and ready.
Rock and roll!
Well, finally here it is guys, my beastie Threadripper build on the insanely vibrant Zebronics Hermes cubicle case. I am super happy with this build. Look at that! Isn't that amazing with all the RGB lighting around? Awesome! And yes, you can see the amazing Toylaxi Iron Man figurine inside. Looks kick-ass. You gotta see this thing in person, it is even more amazing. This is the PC that helps me to create those awesome videos for you. Very soon, you guys will get to see this in my updated Studio 2 2022 video. Okay, wait. I have one more thing. I guess it is time to add some texture and touch to this build. Shall we? Bam! Here it is! Customized front glass panel with my name and Texan super symbol on it. Looks cool, right? I went all out to get this done guys, and I'm super happy with the result. Just love it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick PC swap build video. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another exciting video. Until then.